Should I pit like after my first lap?
You're gonna have to pit at some point. Oh
No,
yeah,
pit
wet
after
tires
my
were a
first. Fuck it.
good choice. Oh my god, you literally just took out the leader.
Should I back
That might
out?
actually be like a 4-second penalty. Because you didn't
Yeah.
fucking brake at all.
Sorry. No penalty.
No penalty?
No
Dude,
penalty.
that guy's gonna message you. You literally just took out the fucking leader of the race.
Should I chat and say sorry again?
If you want. Oh my god.
Well, John, you're in first. You're welcome.
Jesus, doesn't make me feel good seeing that.
You don't think you feel good. See, John, this is why I have braking assist on.
Yeah, and I finish higher because I don't. You just gotta like learn how to brake correctly.
Well, obviously I won't.
Like I would just keep it off. Yeah, you made a mistake there, but the only way to get better is to put all the controls in your hands.
Especially in the rain here, oh gosh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm for sure gonna have to message the guy and be like, my bad, dude.
If he's still even in the race.
Or just look him up.
Yeah.
Cash, 2 H's, boy, 2 Y's.
He's gonna be hard pressed to catch up with the leaders. I did not. That was not avoidable contact. It's fucking pouring rain. Get the fuck out of here.
Right.
Another one? Are you kidding me?
How do you get
Wow.
penalty, but I
My race is already over.
what place you in now?
Second, but I have a 1 second penalty. That means I'm gonna finish like 5th. That's fucking bullshit. Avoidable contact in the pouring rain. Whoever decided that needs to be beaten.
Beat senseless.
Yeah.
Kai, can you stop by like, dude? My feet can only pet you like so. Ever such a way.
Dude. This guy's gotta be careful. If he brakes the wrong way, I'm gonna fucking destroy him.
Oh, I forgot to pit. Oopsies. That's whatever. My race is over anyways.
Oh yeah. Your car's gonna remind you when it stops driving.
No, I'll pit still, but
Yeah.
right now I'm kind of just fucking around. I'm not fucking around, but
Well, you should.
I'm-
I mean, it's a good learning.
yeah,
know.
I'm still trying, but
Yeah.
it's hard. Yeah. I mean, I don't know. I'll probably get lapped.
Oh, probably. If you're the one I see up there, then yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. My race is over. Completely off the track. Not even close. 5th. Soon to be 6th. Yeah.
Okay, so has it been decided when they're coming to Road America yet?
We know the weekend. We're not going.
Oh.
It's every single race next year is planned on a weekend where we already have something happening. So we're not going to a single one.
Oh, okay.
Except Chicago.
Well, I'm getting a lap now. Everyone's turning.
What a disaster of a race for me.
And I'm a ghost now, right?
Yep.
can see how bad I am.
Not even on the track.
Oh,
I don't know if I can slipstream behind you. I don't know if that's how that works.
no.
3 remaining.
You're in 10th though. There were 11 in here, so someone probably DNF'd. Nah, you should have braked earlier.
I was braking.
Brake ridiculously early. That's what I told Brian. And I told that to Justin. Brake too early. Because then what you can do is if you brake too early, you can start to move backwards. You know. You can start to imagine, alright, I broke too early, but now I've got more time. Right? You give yourself more time to correct, and then over time, you learn to limit that, and then just get better. It's so much better to brake too early than too late. Because if you brake
So
too
what you're
late,
saying
no matter
is
what, you're going off the track. No
I
matter
should
what.
brake when it turns yellow.
Yeah. Yep. I showed that to Justin. And then you should, yeah, brake when it turns yellow, and then when you're turning, when the red goes back to yellow, that's when you lay off the brake and you hit the throttle. Every time. Works every time. That's how you get perfect
60%
turns.
of the time, it works. Every time.
Yeah.
Alright,
Well,
we're in fuel.
I probably got top 5 out of this, but
Three laps to go. Well, whoever bet on me to win this race.
I had a good like first lap, but that was it. Oh my god, some guy just rammed me. Oh, it's Cash Boy.
Oh, it's probably that. Yeah, that's the guy that was the
Yep.
first.
Yeah, he's currently in 5th. I guess he stayed in. Good for him. Yeah, he's doing every turn like extra perfect.
Hey, I don't feel too bad. No, I'm just kidding.
Guy's got like the wheel or something.
Final lap.
Slipstreaming the guy in front of me.
John, honestly, like when I hit him, it honestly felt like I was doing like a single player race and I was just passing all the AI drivers.
Yeah.
And like that happens, oop, well I'll just hit Y for rewind.
Yeah, and you can't do that.
Right.
Yeah, I don't use rewind in single player. Oh, I'm off the track again.
Total time
2.25,
penalty is about
god
3.5
damn it, just
seconds.
fucking kick me out of the race at this point.
Total time penalty is about 3.5 seconds.
Literally, just fucking kick me out of the race. Guess this is the last lap, I don't have to put up with this bullshit anymore.
I'm on lap 6.
The track's short enough, you should be able to make it. Maybe.
Maybe, yeah.
Oh, that was fucking terrible. Lost 4 spots. I started in 2nd. The guy who won gained 9. XX FBI swag bot XX.
Dude, driving this car feels like driving in my dreams. Like when I never got my when I was about to get my license or whatever, and
Mm-hmm.
you're driving about and you're dreaming about driving, it feels like
That
driving
never
in my
happened to me.
dreams. Like my car won't start or not start, won't stop. Like yeah, like a couple days before I got my license, I had a dream that I was driving in like a parking lot or whatever, Like there was people walking around, cars or whatever. And I had a dream that I was driving and I put my foot on the brake and my car wouldn't stop. Oh man. I was just hitting cars, hitting people. Thank God, and of course it just felt so realistic because it's a fucking dream.
Yeah.
So man, I was scared.
Someone quit the race
All right,
already.
race.
Okay.
I'm gonna get DNF.
Sixth. Yeah. You have 30 seconds.
30 seconds. What place did Cash Boy get?
Fourth.
See, he still got almost podium. I'm still gonna message him though.
Well, he got that far up because he's just that good.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Where is he?
Nice work out there. P6.
Oh, that was not
Uh,
nice work. That
to
was
gamer
terrible for
card.
me.
The
Middle of the
message.
pack.